Welcome back. My name's Nemo.
And this is Kevin.
It is Tuesday morning and Animal Kingdom Day. We decided to go to the gas station and get some drinks and empty out our cooler from the drive up here. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the resort now and unload our drinks at the room and then go catch our bus to Animal Kingdom. Our first ride scheduled with Lightning Lanes is Navi River Journey, which we didn't do last time, so that'll be different. Then we've got our Husker House reservation, and then we went ahead and decided to purchase the Lightning Lane for Flight of Passage. That's what we're doing today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You look excited.
I'm hungry.
I like turtles. According to the screen, we've got about 6 minutes until our bus gets here for Animal Kingdom. And I found my sunglasses. I didn't lose them after all. I put them in my backpack like a smart person. I just didn't remember where I put them.
Smart person.
Big brain.
Hello.
Yeah. We're doing a little shopping first, and I'm getting myself my first pair of mini ears. We are entering Pandora.
So what's the ride we're doing? Oh yeah, Avatar.
Navi River Journey.
We're in the lightning lane right now.
Yeah, fixing to be. Well, we did that. That was kind of cool. Now we're fixing to go to It's Tough to Be a Bug and check that show out. What'd y'all think of that show?
Cool.
It hurt?
Terrified.
Michelle got really scared. I guess we're gonna get a drink or something and then head over to Feather Flight Friends show. We've got a lightning pass for that next. We're actually gonna get some Mickey bars. I did not have one last time.
I know Mom was watching.
There is a bird right behind us. Protected monument. Oh. What is that?
No, Mom.
The weather has been so nice, and it's supposed to be really nice the rest of the time we're here. November's definitely the perfect time to come, in my opinion.
Good morning, everyone!
Hi, everybody!
Welcome to the Adopt-A-Poor Theater. My name is Corey.
I am Lucy, sharing our birds with all of you.
flight right there.
Oh my God.
Walk around, just 8 feet. People in between, they're gonna get a nice close look. Yeah! Excellent job. In the world, I gotta say. Here we go. 1, 2, yeah!
He's gonna fly out. He is going to grab the dollar and then, where does it go? Here, we're gonna have you bring this man's money back to him. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you were stealing some treats. That was my fault. Okay, there's your dollar. Do you see him? He's gonna fly out and then right in the palm. Nice job, Walker.
Because there's so many cool items. I love.
Well, that show was really, really cute and funny, but now we had to leave a few minutes early to make our reservation at Husker House. That was delicious and really expensive, and now we're on the way to Flight of Passage. Well, that was exhilarating as usual. Fantastic ride. We are now on the bus back to the resort because after lunch, everyone except me was not feeling the best. So we got Pua. So we're just gonna go back to the room for a few hours, and as long as everyone's feeling all right, we're gonna come back in a little while. And
I'm feeling fine now.
yeah, everyone's feeling fine now except KJ and Kevin. So hopefully they're feeling better after a little while, and we'll come back for Expedition Everest. That's another big one we want to ride. And yeah, I will hopefully see y'all in just a little bit when we're coming back to Animal Kingdom. And we're on our way back to Animal Kingdom, waiting for the bus. You could probably tell from the footage, but there's no line right now for this ride. And there's actually the option for a lightning pass, and I can't believe that, because imagine paying for a lightning pass for this ride and then the standby line just has 0 line. that would suck. So we're just gonna go again. Probably as long as the line is super short, we'll just keep doing it. And then eventually we're probably gonna do the safari. We're going again. Well, that was awesome. And now
3 times.
we did 3 times in a row, no line at all. Now we're going to the safari, which has a 5-minute wait, so I don't expect a line there either. We made it just in time. They closed the ropes right as we were walking up, and they decided to go ahead and let us through, so praise Jesus, we get there right. We made it right at 6. Yep, I think we're gonna have a car all to ourselves. Well, that was pretty cool. Super, super bumpy. I'm sure you could tell by the footage. But now we're gonna go check out the Tree of Life. Hopefully it's lit up by now. We'll get some.
It was AWESOME.
We can get some pictures there and then head back to the resort and get some dinner and just chill out until bedtime.
And finish up an awesome day.
Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna call it the end of this vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless. One last clip because this is really pretty.